Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I hope you enjoy. I don't have any makeup on because hopefully I'm going to find something and play with makeup. I've left my makeup off all day. I'm going to have a look through I'm going to do a looky dip for you to go through the drawers, and I really hope you enjoy. But first of all, I'm going to do an unboxing. I got this today and it went in my little PO box. So I got to look, and the packaging's gorgeous. I don't know who this is from because there's no like standard details on, so hopefully there's something inside that shows. But we will have a look. I'm really excited. So here goes. We'll open it up. Oh, the loads. Oh wow. Chock-a-block. Oh. 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 Now now I know who it's from. It's the same person. Just double checking so I can open them both. Yeah. Bless, it is. It's from an Ingrid. And I think she lives near me. Well, she lives in Durham, but that's near me in the grand scheme of things. I know her on Facebook. She's lovely and she said she was going to send something. But I didn't know she'd send it this quick. So I've got here hydrating vitamin E woven face mask. You'll have to excuse this because my throat's been sucking on lockets. It's terrible. Derma V10. This is brilliant. I've got a drawer now with little bits and pieces like this in for like when I want to pamper myself and fart about. I'll try to do mine, but he won't. Well, he will let us actually. Just I'll have to grab him and make sure he does as he's told and gets his face mask on. Then we've got Smooth and Softens Tired Dry Feet Apple Extract with Shea Butter. That will actually be really lovely for me after a long day's work because I have to wear horrible boots. I'm supposed to wear work boots they've got to be steel toe cap, but because I'm the way I am and I'm a bit of a pain in the arse and a spoilt person, I thought I'm going to have pink ones. So I bought pink ones. They're like 30 quid. They've lasted us in like over a year now and I love them. But I don't want like smelly black boring ones. So I've got pink ones. But they hurt your feet because they're so flat and heavy and they cut you. Oh, it's awful to walk in. So I've got some. Let's have a look. We'll get back into this pack here. It'll be a long video. I've got. Come on. Oh, little pack of glitters. Oh, Stargazer glitter shaker. Look at that. I've just been messing about with pigments and putting them away in the drawers. I don't need any more pigments in a while, that's for sure. I need to get through that lot. So we've got, it's like a bronzy colour and a pink. Look at that, lovely. So them 3 glitters, they're lovely. You can see it really clear. I hope you can anyway. I think the lighting's a little bit better at the minute because of the ring light from Will. Thank you very much. Now I've got, oh, what's this? Lovely little wrapping. Let's have a look. Oh, what's those? Little gemstones. Ah, you'll have to help us out. What are they? Are they just special? Because I know some stones have meanings. What's this one in here? I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to pull something off on it. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, bless. Look at those. Aren't they so sweet? Oh. They are gorgeous. Will they fit my finger? Just, wow. That is spot on fit my finger. That is so special. Oh, Ingrid, these are gorgeous. Oh, I love these. I'll wear them in my videos. Because I don't know if you notice, I never wear jewellery. Only because I feel weird with it on. But they're so simple. And I won't feel like I won't feel overdone. Put them all on. Oh, that one's a little bit tight. Here we go, we've got them all on. Oh, I like them. Oh, they're so special. They really are. And I've got my little stones. You'll have to explain about them. Because I know some of them do have meanings. And what's this one here? Oh, I bet it's in the letter, you know. I'll have to read the letter. So, let's have a look. What we got? We've got another packet here. Oh. Oh. These are so beautiful. Look. Oh. Little bracelet. It's got a purple one and then a turquoisey blue one. Oh, that's beautiful. They're both beautiful. Let's get them on my wrist, see if they fit. To take the bar up. They do, they do. Look. I've got jewellery. I'm going to have to hang these up special. I used to have a hand, like a wooden one, but I don't know where it went. I lost it when I did the moves. And I used to have jewellery boxes with little bits and bobs in, and I don't even know where they went. So they're beautiful. They are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. I'm going to wear them today. Oh, another beauty blender. I'm loving these beauty blenders. This one's massive as well. Oh, I love this shape one. I've got ones that look like an egg, and I've noticed they don't really go in the water very well. This one seems like velvet. I'm looking forward to trying that one out. Put that over there. Oh, what's this? I've got a little box or something. And I love the wrapping. It's all special and pretty with little, like, all polka dot. It feels so special. Like, it's, oh, bless. Oh, a little MAC Prep and Prime. I love this stuff, you know. Put it under your foundation and it doesn't half just make you feel alive, because my skin on the morning especially, and I'm up early, and I'm glad it's starting to get light again because I can't drive, so I get the bus on the morning. Look at that, it just doesn't half pep up your skin. Don't want to get it on the rings. And it always a lovely stuff, just peps you right up. I wear a lot of foundation at the minute to hide my bad skin, and so this stuff underneath is brilliant. It just illuminates you. Oh, that is brilliant. Thank you. Look, just cannot wait to get cracking with all that. And what we got in here? Oh, don't want to drop anything. Some more beauty blenders. No, what are these? What on earth are them? Let's have a look. Romantic. Let's have a look. Can I get in? Push that through. Oh, wait, hang on. Romantic Bear. What is that? Is it? I think it's like a lip balm. I think I'm going to open it up and have a look. I've never seen anything like this before. Is it a little lip balm? Let's have a look. Got two here. It is. Look at that. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. Because I've got really dry lips with where I work. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. That smells amazing. Because honestly, the tile dust, I even wonder if it's what's causing all me infections. Because you just cannot breathe sometimes. And it's funny, it's always when I've either done a delivery day and I've moved a load of tiles, or I've swept the warehouse floor. It's just, ugh. I know my skin gets really dry, and my hands, they're like, I'm going to show you, you're going to be disgusted. I don't know if you can see. I need to use proper hand cream on them. They're just ripped open, they're so dry. Like we've got, so that coupled with winter. Oh, and I've got another little one, look. Let's have a look what this smells like. Open that up, where's it? We need to open it. Oh, there we go. Isn't that cute? That smells a little bit like strawberry and cinnamon. It's sweet. I love it. Thank you. They're so cute. Look at them. They're really cute. This ring, I've got 3 of them all on at the same time and they keep turning around. Right, let's have a look what we've got. We've got, oh, what's this? Essence. This is a Wilkinson's. This is usually a Wilkinson's because I know I got some nail varnishes Lash Princess. I've never used it before. Oh, now I like that brush. Really, really, really like that brush to put a bit of that on. Because, oh, I like that. Look at that. Can you see? That's really ramped them up, that. Love it. Because this stuff here is really, really, really affordable from Wilkinson's, the Essence brand. I don't know if it's for Wilkinson's, but really, having tried this makeup, and thank you for sending that. Look at them lashes, they've stuck right up. That's going to be a new fave. That's really, really lovely. Thank you for that. Oh, guess what? Look, all mine went out of date and stinky. I want to put them in the bin. These is Hustle. I used to have loads of these, the gel liners, and I used to love them. Especially if I got a lucky dip and one of them came out and you just had to put it with. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one. It's all wrapped up though, so I'll open that in another video. PS Instagirl Diamond Lip Topper. Ooh, this is nice. Let's have a look. Oh, I like that. Should put a bit on. Put a bit on. Look at the colour of that one. It's just subtle. It's subtle, but it's blue. So if you're worried about your colour of your teeth, blue is meant to make your teeth pop white. So that's really handy. It's exciting. Now what we've got. Wow, there's some palettes of some sort in here. Let's have a look. Where's this cough will go away? It hurts. It's just keep going on and on and on and on. Oh, wow. Revolution Intensely Pigmented Foil Shadow Palette. Look at that. Can you see the ring light? Isn't that lovely? That is beautiful. There's some gorgeous colours in there. I'm loving the gold and the rich plums and pinks at the minute. I can't wait to play with that. I can't wait. That is gorgeous. And it's all sealed, so I'm not going to open it. Is it sealed? Whoops. Yeah, it's all sealed. I've just snapped a nail. Oh, that hurt. Look at that. It's awful to pull that off before it catches on something. Oh, pop it there. Now we've got this here. This is another palette. What is this? I'm going to have to open this one to show you. Kaleidoscope 9 colour highlighter. Ooh, I love highlighters. Let's have a look. This throat's getting on my lip now. It makes your eyes water. Oh no, don't start. Oh, please go away. It always does it when you don't want it to. And I'm awake all night with it. Push this through. Oh, please. It's horrible. Right. You Can Be 9 colour highlighter. Isn't that lovely? Let's have a... Oh, now I like that. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? You've got like this is going to be perfect. Because some of the looks I do, like some of the highlighting colours I want to do, they're not like lilacs and pinks and peaches, and then even the green. I think there's eyeshadow. Or is it just highlighter? It's just highlighter. I can't wait to play with that. Ingrid, thank you so much for all this. I'm going to be in my element playing with all this. A lot of this ideal. Thank you so much. I'm going to quickly open the other packet because I know it's from you now. I didn't want to do 2 people's unboxings in one video because that's a bit rude. Dear me. What's this? Another letter. Oh, thank you, Ingrid. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to read them. I keep all the letters, by the way. I've got them all special, and they mean a hell of a lot to us. Oh, I've got another palette here. Let's have a look at this one. Bless. What is this? A blue one. Neptune Beauty Glazed Bright Eyeshadow. Oh, oh, this is what I'm like all night long at the minute. I'm going to have to go to the doctor to get something for it. Like I've been ill since before Christmas. I've had laryngitis. What else? Oh, just cold after cold. Oh wow, this is stunning. Get ready for this. So Neptune Palette. Look at the colours in there. Ew, I cannot wait. Oh, I love this one. And that one. And that one. I like them all. Actually, that one in the middle is quite nice as well. Oh, and I love blues. They're the hardest colour to make on you. They never look great. Well, they look very rarely great on people, like blue. I just love them. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to play around with all my bits and pieces. Oh, Ingrid, thank you very much. I'm going to go and read your letter now. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope I put all your products to good use. I really do. Thank you very, 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 very much. Bless you, you're adorable. Right, I'm going to send you an email on Facebook as well, because I've been trying to keep up to date with everyone on Facebook as well, through Facebook Messenger. Emails now, people are emailing us, and we'll get quite a few, so be patient, bear with us, and try and catch up as much as I can. Oh God, this is doing my head. It's horrible. I'm going to get some water. Right, I'll just see you on a bit. Thank you so much, Ingrid. Thank you. Zoom, zoom. Bye. I nearly missed something. It in here. I didn't want to leave that out and have to come back on. I've got a locket in my mouth now. You're going to have to excuse us. Oh dear me. I'll get them all out so that I don't forget anything. There's more stuff here. I've got Born to Glow NYX Classic Tan. This is going to be fun. Let's have a look. I've also read the letters, and she'd explained that she'd made the jewellery herself. Oh, that's, look, she's made the jewellery herself. And these are made out of sterling silver, and I can just wash them as I would normal silver. Is it sterling silver? I think that's what she said. And she made the jewellery herself, and she's explained the crystals, the stones. I need to clean them first to get rid of all the negative energy and make them mine. So I'm going to do that. I love all that kind of stuff, you know, it's exciting. That's the foundation, really nice, that nice colour. If I mix that in with my light one, that'll give us a good coverage, that. Just get rid of that on my hand. That's lovely. I love things like that. And then I've got Custom Colour Foundation Mixer, Lightning Warm Makeup Artist, Makeup Academy, sorry. This one is, it doesn't say, it's just like a little mixer. I'll put that in a video so you can see what it is. Oh, a little lip liner. I love lip liners. I don't have many. And this one's NYX Professional. And this one is, what colour? Doesn't say, does it? Tea and Cookies. So that's brilliant. And put that in my little pot. And then another Glam Crystals, and this one I love. So I've got 2 Glam Crystals now. They're perfect. I love the Collection 2000, I think it's Collection 2000 Glam Crystal stuff. They're really good quality liners. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I'm going to keep your letters safe. And thank you for wishing us good luck for being back on here. I've got to thank all of you for being so welcoming for having us back. So yeah, thank you very much. I shall see you on a bit. Zoom zoom.